so let me give it a taste for you. I already know it's good because I eat it all the time, but let's see. Yeah, it's so good. Like, look at that. There's so many adjustments that you can make. If you don't like something, just don't put it in it. If you don't like pickle relish, whatever, don't put it in there. Just use whatever you like and you'll be good to go. I'll put all the nutrients across the screen, how much protein and everything that is in there. Put some cucumbers with it, you guys, or put a little salad, or put something with it to make it a whole meal, or maybe some fruit. And man, it's so delicious. But just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to have a liquid IV, 50 calories, and it'll get me hydrated as well, give me a little bit of energy. So I'm going to go ahead and have one of these as well. As usual, anything I use, if I can link it, I will put it in the description box below. Bye, guys.